Hey, this is Susan from SmokeAGrillGirl.com, and what we're going to do today is we're going to be smoking some stuffed jalapenos. So the first step of the process is to actually take the jalapenos and take the stem off and core it out. So that's what we're going to be doing. All right, so now we're going to wash them, and then we'll be back to put the cream cheese and stuff in them. All right, so once you've cut off the caps and de-seeded them, you want to go ahead and wash them out really to where they have no seeds or no membrane in them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stuff them with two different types of cream cheese fillings. So we have 6 jalapenos, and we're going to do 3 of this cream cheese filling, which is cream cheese, honey, and craisins. And then this one has cream cheese, shredded cheddar, this Traeger pork and poultry seasoning, and then sour cream as well too. So, and then once we get them on the grill, we're going to preheat the grill to we're going to set it to the smoke setting, and then we're going to leave them in there for an hour to an hour and a half to let them smoke. All right, so in order to get the cheese into the jalapeno, what I'm doing is I actually mixed the mixture or the cheese into in a bowl, and then I put it in a sandwich bag, and then just cut a small little piece of the corner off to use it like a frosting bag so I can squeeze it in there. And then I'm using this wooden skewer to pack it down into the jalapeno, and you can use whatever type of skewer you have to do that. So let's go ahead and get started on filling them up. All right, so now that we've got them all filled up with cheese, we're going to take them out to the grill, so we'll see you outside. All right, so we're out here with the pit boss, and we've got it set to the smoke setting. And what we did was we put the jalapenos on this jalapeno rack, and I'll put the link to the description of the rack that we're using down in the description below. And what we're going to do is we're actually just going to place this rack in the middle of the grill, and we're just going to leave them in here for an hour to an hour and a half. All right, so they've been smoking. The jalapeno poppers have been smoking for an hour now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn the temperature up to 350. And we're going to go ahead and let them cook for another 30 minutes, and then we'll be pulling them off the grill. So we'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, so we've pulled the peppers off the grill, and you can see by the wrinkling of the skin that we probably cooked them a little too much for our first time of cooking jalapeno peppers. They're a little wrinkly, and these are how they look on a plate. And based on how you like your jalapeno peppers, you might not want to let it cook too long. We actually, next time we do them, we're probably going to leave them on the grill for 30 or 15 minutes instead of 30 minutes on 350. So let me go ahead and cut into one and take a bite. And this is the one that has the cheddar cheese along with the cream cheese. Not bad, considering that we overcooked them a little, but they are good. So next time I just recommend smoking them for an hour, and then 350, turn it up to 350 for maybe 15 minutes. And of course, depending on how cooked you like it. So let me try the other one that has the cranberries. I think that's my favorite. All right, well, be sure and visit my website at smokergrillgirl.com, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day.